Hey Realtors, Kurt here from Property Revolution. I just wanted to take a quick minute and share 4 ways that we can help you with your real estate business. I was a realtor myself for a number of years, and I understand how hard you work to develop relationships, to show houses to people, get houses ready for listing, get contracts in place and work to get that transaction to the finish line. And I also understand some of the bumps that come along the way with that. And so there's a few ways that Property Revolution here can help you with what you do, and we want to offer ourselves to be a help to you. The first one is with roof inspections. We all know the home inspector comes out, does the inspection during the inspection period, and a lot of times they'll defer to a roofing expert for the condition of the roof. So we want to be here to help you with that. If you need a roof inspection, feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to come out, check out the roof, take some photos, explain to you and anyone involved in the transaction what we feel like the status of the roof is, if it's near its expected life or if some maintenance would help stretch it out a little ways. Lenders also a lot of times want a letter written stating that the roof has at least 2 years of life left. If you need help with that, let us know. We're here to help. Another thing that we help with during real estate transactions is required repairs. We service the exterior of the home, so we do roofing, siding, decks and fences, windows and doors. So if there's a part of your client's property that needs one of those items taken care of during the closing process because it came up during inspections and you wrote an addendum and needed to get that taken care of, we're here to help with that. We have a repair team for smaller repairs, and if the roof needs to be replaced as part of the transaction, we can usually be a little flexible with roof replacements to get those turned around quickly to help you meet your deadlines. And the third item and part of the repair process that helps a lot of agents is we can take payment at the closing table. We all know that title companies aren't going to let a contractor go unpaid. And so we offer to take payment from the title company, whether it's at closing, if the repairs were done during the course of the transaction, or if the funds are escrowed with the title company and the work's to take place after closing really is a safe bet for a lot of people. And we're willing to be flexible and work with you on that. That helped me when I was running transactions to have that flexibility with a few of the contractors that we worked with, and that's something that we offer to help you with as well. And the fourth way we can help you is being a referral partner. As a realtor, you're getting bombarded all the time with people asking you, hey, who should I get for insurance? Who should I get to cut my hair? And who should I get to work on my roof? We want to be your go-to person for your home exterior needs. And know that you can have someone that you trust that's going to take as good of care of your clients as you would yourself. So those are the 4 ways we want to help you: roof inspections, repairs, taking payments at the closing table, and being a referral partner. If we can help you in one of those ways, feel free to reach out to us and we look forward to working with you.